Hello, everybody. And today I just wanted to say big thank you to all the clients, to everybody who's involved in our business, who came and for who we did work, for who we designed awesome projects, all the customers and all the team and everybody. I want to say big thank you. Thanksgiving is one of my favorite holidays, and I really like to spend the time to appreciate and say big thank you to everybody that's supporting us and calling us and enjoying the process with us. And overall, it's a beautiful holiday, and we should be thankful all the time for the stuff that we have. And I am very thankful to all the clients, to all the people, and everyone. And it's a beautiful holiday. I wish you all an amazing time. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy the day. And I wanted to put this video out there that I kind of didn't feel like sharing, but this is a conversation with a client I'm having in the car, and a lot of it is about appreciation. A part of the business is getting the feedback from you, having the appreciation, listening to you guys and making and hearing the good stuff that the kitchens are working, they're beautiful, there's families enjoying, and you're having fun and you're loving it, and it makes me happy. It makes my work more valuable, and it makes my life more meaningful. So again, very appreciate being part of this community. To all my clients, have a nice Thanksgiving. I thank you for all the stuff, for all the projects, and enjoy this video, enjoy this weekend, and have fun.
Amazing.
Thank you so
Everything
much.
else is good?
Yeah, great. I love my new kitchen.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Everything
It's
is working?
wonderful.
Yeah? That's good.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah, everything is great.
Is the island working well? Like the spacing and stuff? It's not too tight?
Yeah, like it's the same thing that I had before. Like it's very far from like my stove and my like my fridge, but I love the island itself so much that I'm like, oh, I couldn't have done without it. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
So yeah, so like I'm always behind the island, entertaining, chatting with the kids. So it's working really great. I think because we're used to having it so far out.
Oh, I see.
But it works great. Like, when I tell people about that, they're like, "Oh, I didn't even really clue in." You know what I mean? But
Uh-huh.
you can, like, when you cook a meal after you're like an hour cooking, that you can tell, the it's like a triangle, right? I gotta go to the island, go to the fridge, go to the stove. Like, you can tell that you're doing more footwork than you would usually.
I see. It's okay. Gyms are
Yeah,
closed,
but
so
it's
it's a good
okay.
thing.
That's it. There you go. You got it. But it's a choice I made, right? So I'm not regretting it at all. It was all worth it. It's a beautiful island, so we're very happy with it.
Nice. Okay. Very good.
All right.
I'm very happy. Okay, thank you, Emily. So I'll give you a call after the New Year's.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
If I don't talk to you, happy holidays.
Thank you. You as well. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
So yeah, love this part of the job where clients are appreciating the design, enjoying and liking it, and get excited. I get excited. I get goosebumps myself hearing people enjoying their islands and loving it, loving the furniture, loving the layout, loving the look, and that's what I work for. You know what I mean? I get a thrill out of happy customers and people that appreciate my work, and they're able to enjoy this for many years to come. I mean, we see people, I visit clients 15 years down the road now, 15 years down the road, and most of them are saying, because they're calling me back, I still love my kitchen, and it's exciting. It's very exciting and happy moments to get feedback from clients and make sure they're happy. Sometimes I wish I could talk to everybody, but it's usually the people that are calling for extra work, because it's always a go.